Hello student, this is Ajay Gupta. As your science teacher, welcome you in physics lecture 6. Before starting the lecture, it is inform you that the stationery shops has opened. So please purchase your copy and books and do all work on your fair copy. Now starts today's lecture. In this lecture, we shall study about the equation of position velocity relation, that means their proofs of third equation of motion. In previous classes we have studied about the proof of second equation of motion. The proof of third equation of motion is just similar to the second equation of motion, but use the different formula for this. An object travel from O to C, their time taken is C, and the initial velocity is u from O to A, and the final velocity from O to P is v, and this is parallel to OP parallel to BC, and OP always equal to BC. So the final velocity of OP is v is equal to the final velocity of from C to B is always to v. So we have to find the total displacement traveled by the object is equal to the area under the covered in slope. That means the area of trapezium OABC. Now use the different formula from the second equation of motion. Area of trapezium OABC is equal to half sum of parallel side into altitude, the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. Half the two parallel sides are OA and BC. This is the two parallel side into the distance between perpendicular distance between them, OC. Now we know OA is the initial velocity represented by u, and BC is the final velocity represented by v, and OC time taken by the object t. Now it can be written 1 by 2 v plus u into t. 1 by 2 OAU plus BC equal to v into t. From the first equation of motion, we know that v is equal to u plus at, and separate t from the others and transfer the value of u in left side. V minus u is equal to at. Transfer a in the left side, we get v minus u by a is equal to t. Put in the value of t in this equation, we get 1 by 2 u plus v into v minus u by a. U plus v can be written as v plus u, 1 by 2 as it is, and v minus u by a. We always known as formula a plus b in front bracket, a minus b in second bracket is equal to the a square minus b square. So v plus u and v minus u can be written as b square minus u square. Transfer the value of 2a in the left side. This is the multiplied by the displacement s, and we get 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Now 2as is equal to, transfer the v square in left side, this is converted in the positive. So 2as plus u square is equal to b square. It can be written as b square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is the third equation of motion. Now the last topic of this chapter, distance and speed of a circular path. The distance of a circular path is equal to the 2 into pi multiplied by their radius r, and their speed is equal to, we know, distance upon time. Distance of a circular path is equal to 2 pi r, and time taken by the object equal to t. So speed, this is the speed of object on any circular path. Thank you.